Neil here from Clean. I am removing this mould from these boards. Now this is actually a kind of vinyl board, you can hear that, which is why I'm able to use a fairly strong nozzle to get this mould off. This mould is supposedly being created by this tree here, which I think might be a cypress, and it's extremely tough to remove. I've had to heat the water that we're using to 80 degrees Celsius, combined with a turbo head nozzle, which is about as strong as you can get in terms of cleaning. So let me show you what we can achieve. Here's the result. So I think fantastic. Really good that the vinyl boards, because you can hit them with a lot of pressure and they don't damage the board at all. So very fortunate that this customer had vinyl boards, so we were able to get the result. Otherwise I would never ever be able to do that with wooden boards or weatherboard. There you go. Hope you enjoyed the video.